Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. The video we have just saw is about a theater talk where where some critics and an actor were discussing about the George Bernard Shaw. Firstly, I want to tell about George Bernard Shaw that he was a Victorian playwright who wrote about different topics and was considered as one of the pioneer of the modern drama. After Ibsen, Shakespeare is considered as a shining star of the modern drama because he talked about the problems of the man of that time, rather than the heroic stories or the idols which were discussed before in the British drama or the Asian drama like Shakespeare and other. So they were talking about the George Bernard Shaw. And firstly, they started talking about the George Bernard Shaw that he actually worked in a British society. And so, what is a Bernard Shaw to the Americans today? So they told that for Americans, it is a bit difficult to accept George Bernard Shaw because of his political views. There was a time when a war broke between America and Russia, and George Bernard Shaw had his stance towards Russia. So he was at Russia's side. So because of this and these sentiments, Americans are not very inclined towards the Bernard Shaw. And secondly, they say that the American actors today are hesitant to play Bernard's character or Shaw character because they have because an actor has to be very eloquent in dialogue and has to have a very good dialogue delivery to act to the Bernard characters, because the characterization Bernard has done is like that. There is more of dialogues and a very less very less chance of or the very less margin for acting. There was nothing like gestures or the expressions, but they were more of like the dialogue delivery. And these dialogue deliveries should be very eloquent and very proper and should come from the heart, because they said that whatever the Bernard characters or Shaw characters spoke or speak in the drama comes directly from the Bernard heart. He was a revolutionist. He talks about the different ideas, and he was different from the playwright of the previous times. So characterization is were very important in Shaw character, because they were more of the dialogue delivery and emotional intensity, which American actors difficult to play. And then they talk about the relationship between Ibsen and George Bernard Shaw. There was a critic who told that George Bernard Shaw has yeah, very much similarities with the Ibsen, or maybe he has idealized Ibsen. And the one of the evidence we find that is that the Bernard stands for the feminism. In one of his plays, he told that there was a lady who fell in love with some man, but as she grew up, she prefers her independency over the romance. And at the end of the play, she chose her independence and her success, or maybe her freedom, over a romantic relationship with a man. So he says that, like the Ibsen talks about the feminism, Bernard also talks about the feminism and other patriarchal dimensions of the society, but in a very comic and a satirical way, in a very light way. And then he talked about, then they asked that has Bernard Shaw ever envy, or was he against the Shakespeare? So they said that they cannot say that he was against Shakespeare, but according to them, Shakespeare had some terrible ideas about the gender roles and the heroic characters. Like if we talk about the Shakespearean drama, the protagonist or the main character should be a man of higher values and the perfect in all sense. But in that time, during the Bernard Shaw time, world was changing, and the modern man was different from an ancient man. He has some flaws and pros and cons, and he cannot be a perfect man. So according to Bernard Shaw, the Shakespeare was a he admired him that he was a great dramatist, but he says that what Shakespeare talked about was a talk of past, but now the time has changed and the drama should be changed according to that time. So he never against he was never against the Shakespeare, but he was against the ideas which according to Shaw was getting old with the time and was orthodox ideas. And then they say that he was a music critic also, and that's and that aspect he always admired Shakespeare, because we know that Shakespeare, all the Shakespearean dramas are in poetic form, and there was always a rhythm, and not just a rhythm but an emotional intensity in the dialogue. So he says he accepts that the Shakespeare was a great musician. And then they talked about the Bernard Shaw personality. They say that the personality and his place are different. Like in his place, the dialogues and the intensity they talk about, and the ideas or the themes the character talk about were very classical and important, like the gender roles, the ideas of war, and the heroic ideas. But in a person, he was more of like light mood person, or maybe they said they called him a clown. Like he was always in a good mood, he always smiles and jokes at and gave puns to people at every incident. So they say that his writing were also satirical, but he talked about serious things. But in a person, whenever someone meets Shaw, he was always in a light mood and was not serious in a person. And then they lastly talked about the Shaw and the relationship between Shaw and Hitler. They said that not only Shaw that time, but Winston Churchill and other intelligence admired Hitler, because the time was changing. And Bernard Shaw was at starting was in favor of capitalism, but later he changed his views. So firstly he was in favor of Hitler, and he thought that there need to be a strong man who can order up the society and deal with the things. But later, after Holocaust, he was against Hitler and told that he must be charged with life because he interfered with people's life. And he then changed his ideas towards the socialism. So these were the things they talked about, and most important of them was the characterization of Shaw. That in the character Shaw character the characters talk about the very important and serious issues in a satirical way, and in a very long and narrative dialogues with much intensity. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Hafiz, ma'am.